you ever notice while watching an animated video, moments like this? It seems like the characters should be angry or sad, but then all of a sudden they smile. What's up with that? It is true that some actions within Vyond revert to the character's neutral state. So, if your character's neutral state is smiling, you might get that unexpected smile in your video. How do we fix this? Pretty simply. When you're reading through the script for your story, take note of the character's neutral within the scene. Are they generally upset, happy-go-lucky, angry, in need of dental work? Design your character with a neutral that matches that mood. If you've already built the character, simply find the character in your library, click on the More button, and select Copy and Edit Character. Change the expression of that character to match the mood of the scene, and there you have it! No more strange expressions. I have a pretty good dentist I could recommend. No?